Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recreating this look right here that I found on this model on Instagram from the Jluxlabel brand. Super cute. And before I begin, I just wanted to mention that I now have a thanks button that you guys can directly support me. And if you are also enjoying my content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So first spraying my Afro G's keratin spray. Then I'm going to be taking my Giovanni Route 66 volume conditioner just so my hair comes out really nice and fluffy. Today I want my curls to pop and look good. And this is something new that I'm adding to my regimen, the Olaplex bonding oil. I have to dye my hair more often now because my grays come in faster. I did start graying pretty early, like in my mid-20s, but now I have to do it more often, and I feel like because I'm putting more damage into my hair, I have to add back like more good stuff into my hair. I'm getting old. I don't like it. I don't like it here. I really don't. So I'm sectioning out the two pieces that are going to be left out in the hairstyle before I diffuse it. I also applied my heat protectant, new as well, and I sprayed it all over my hair. And then I'm going to be diffusing on high, and then I'm going to start taking small sections where I turn the diffuser on and off. And then I take the diffuser attachment off and I blow dry really fast just to make sure everything is dry. So do everything in that order. Oh my god, look at my plant, guys. So I got this money tree. This is my second one. The first one I killed. I'm a plant killer, but anyways, this is a self-watering plant. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I think it's really cool for me because I just have to fill in the little reservoir thingy with water once it like dries up, and then yeah, my plant is thriving. I am a plant mom now. Life has changed a lot. These are my priorities now. I can't wait to get my second plant. I want to get the jade pothos plant. It's like a trailing plant. It's so pretty. That's the one I want to get next. I think I'm gonna get it for my birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna put it right there too. Well, actually, I have another spot. I don't know. I have to see where I want to put it. But all right. Anyways, back to the video. So I'm gonna section out the two pieces that I sectioned out earlier, and then I'm gonna take my comb and section out the part that I'm gonna be tying back and then clipping up. You're gonna need a cute hair clip. I got mine from H&M, and some rubber bands or like a really skinny hair tie thingy, and that's it. That's the hairstyle. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna let you guys watch them. Actually, do you guys want to talk? So I am now in like a different space as far as like I'm like super spiritual now. It's gonna sound weird, but like I believe in spirit guides, and I'm into manifesting. I like the new moon, full moon kind of stuff. Um, what else? I think the biggest lesson that I've learned this year is that I can't force the people around me to heal. And it does feel like a lonely journey, to be honest, because yeah, I feel like I'm all alone sometimes because not everyone is ready to heal. And I am learning to just give grace and understand that where people are at and accept where they're at and not try to force my opinions and my healing knowledge onto them and stuff. But yeah, that's where I'm at in life. I'm at peace. I feel good. I don't try to force anything. Let me get back to the video. So I did grab my spray bottle with water in it just to refresh the top of my curls because as I was styling my hair they got frizzy. And that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.